This review is of Northwest grown Bartlett pears. And this is a 3-pound bag. Minimum diameter of these is 2.5 inches. And they're grown in America. So I've got one here that feels like it's ready. It's just barely squishy up at top, which is the perfect time. If you wait until it's squishy, it's going to be very, very messy and maybe not so enjoyable depending on just how squishy it is. But if you can squish it just a little bit and you leave an indentation, then that's a good sign. If you squeeze it, however, and you don't feel like this one's got some pink on it, so you'd think it's ready, but actually this one's really very, very, very firm. So you have to check and make sure by squeezing this part, because this is the part that goes first. And once that starts to change, you can tell, and I can feel the squishiness here too. And thus the perfect time. So let's find out. Okay. Ooh, I love pears. I don't eat them a lot because I often forget about them, and then by the time I remember they're there, same thing with mangoes, and even with avocados, I just tend to forget about them because, you know, I'm waiting for them to ripen, and I put them in a drawer in the fridge, and then, yeah. So, there's a bit of tartness, very sweet, or not very sweet, sweet, very juicy. These are great. Now, I know some people prefer canned fruit. The problem with canned fruit is it's often packaged in a syrup that is high in fructose, and that is going to lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver syndrome, which is to say that you can get fatty liver and cirrhosis from drinking alcohol. You can also get it from consuming too much fructose because your body only processes fructose in your liver. Now, when you eat fruits that contain fructose, because of the pulp that you're eating with the liquid, the fructose, not as much of it gets absorbed into the liver. A lot of this, some of it passes out of the body entirely without being used. So you're not as likely to get a problem in your liver. Also, fructose, as far as I know anyways, does not contribute to diabetes. And that is why Cyrus Kambata and Robbie Barrow have their Mastering Diabetes program that uses a lot of fruit. And they're both type 1 diabetics. So, yeah, I'll give this a 9. It's really, really enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.